I believe, put in an application for the panel upgrade because of the location.
Yeah.
But we necessarily don't think we need it if you are willing to grandfather
Well,
it
I
in.
don't like these be in front of it.
That I agree with.
And maybe if we could get the front cleared out, like this stuff here, I would say it's existing, it's existing.
Okay. So with that being said,
If you upgrade it,
no, we didn't upgrade anything. All we
Okay.
did was add the solar. So with that being said, the install was already done. And let me grab a screwdriver. I'll crack this open so you can see it, and you can decide whether or not you want to give me an inspection.
well, I don't have the paperwork with you,
Okay.
with me here, so we're gonna have to kind of reschedule it.
Okay, that's fine.
I just gave you a freebie stop here to see
Appreciate
what was
that.
actually
Thank
going
you.
on. But in the meantime, I would like to see this stuff gone.
Okay. So unfortunately, that'd be on you. You have to find a local plumber, or we could try to see if we get a plumber. Otherwise.
Doing this here.
I agree with you. It's just, I know the
Okay,
question's
so-
going to be asked of me, so I
All
want
right,
to be able
so
to
if
pass
you
it on.
could get this stuff cleared from here to that point,
Okay.
that it's clear shot to the panel,
Okay.
that
Perfect.
would be okay. But once you touch that panel, then